Next, I want to show you the Features tab. First, we start with mouse guard and switch. As you can see, there is no mouse guard and switch group, so we'll create one by clicking on the orange button. At the beginning, we choose a name for the mouse guard and switch group and click Select Extenders. Now you can select the remote extenders, which the light and switch group consists of. I will choose some of the extenders on the list. And after clicking OK, you can see how the group would look like. Of course, you can modify the arrangement of the displays and how to interact, how they should interact to each other, and the displays will snap automatically, as you can see. But for now, we just arrange a small group. And next, it is very important to choose which one of the devices has physically mouse and keyboard connected. This unit will be selected as the USB master with this little green button here. All the other devices will be controlled by this USB master unit. After clicking Create, you now can see the first mouse guard and switch entry. If you need further information about a group, you can click on the Info button. It will show you the ID, the resolution, the position, and whether it's a USB master or not. It is also possible to edit the mouse guard and switch group. Please note that when you edit the group, all active connections will be closed, so please make sure no one is working with the devices at this moment. Here you can see you can rearrange the USB masters or the displays itself, depends on what you need. Last but not least, you also can delete the groups if necessary. The next feature is the creation of multi-head groups. To create a multi-head group, click on Features and switch to multi-head groups. This leads you to the multi-head group page. In our example, as you can see, there are no multi-head groups yet, so we'll create one by clicking the Create New Extender Groups button. When you click the button, a new window will appear. Here you have the possibility to create local or remote multi-head groups. First, we will give the group a name, and then we choose whether it's a local or remote group. For this example, we choose a local multi-head group. It is important to note that usually you need to create both local and remote multi-head groups for this feature to work. They also will have to fit in terms of extender count when you want to connect them later. But there is an exception. If you created a mouse guard and switch group, you don't need to create a remote multi-head group, since the mouse guard and switch feature will reorganize the necessary remote units automatically. So when you when you chose your extenders for the multi-head group, you can click on OK to finish and save. Please note that it is important that the device where the USB connection is physically connected to computer and where your mouse and keyboard are located, that this device is the first entry in the multi-head group. Otherwise, you won't have any USB connection. All the other devices only transmit video. So here in this example, local 1 is the extender with the USB connection to the PC. After clicking OK, you can see an overview of the multi-head group you just created. If you need to edit the group, just click on the Edit button. But please note that all active connections are getting closed when you edit this multi-head group. It's the same as with the mouse glide and switch feature. The front end will warn you. So here, for example, we changed one local for another. Of course, if necessary, you also can delete the mouse multi-head groups.